In the near future, when the natural resources of the world were getting depleted, all the nations in the world were trying to put up a mark. The only natural thing remaining was a nuclear power, which could prove the worth of a nation. This war was like never before. Every nation for itself, no allies, all enemies, all fighting under one head to become the superpower and to conquer the natural resources of the world.
But how can we pull back the funds at this moment? Just few more tests and the weapon will be
How many
ready.
more years will that take, Mr. Abhimanyu? Do you realize that we are facing war right now? Right now. Not in the future. The military does not have the luxury of time nor money to finance such non-working projects like yours, Mr. Abhimanyu.
But it's new technology. No nation in the world has this weapon. And it's for war itself.
See, we have already faced a lot of failures in the project. We don't want to see more.
But it's not the end. When you work on such a big project, there are few failures.
Few? Mr. Abhimanyu, we want results. And that exactly I'm not getting from you.
Surely you will. I'm very close. For all these years I'm working, I just need some more time.
I'm sorry, Abhimanyu. I cannot do anything for you right now. The decision has been taken. The military is going to stop financing all such non-working projects and divert its funds to the manufacturing of nuclear weapons, which is the dire need of this hour.
But I've already proved that this weapon will be 10 times stronger than the nuclear weapons today.
You have proved nothing, Mr. Abhimanyu. Nothing at all. All that you have proved is on paper. And I cannot fight a war using your papers, can I? To fight a war, I need weapons, real weapons. I'm sorry. As of now, your project has been scrapped indefinitely.
But
Please
I
don't
thought-
argue with me. Take your files and leave.
Sir,
Yes?
someone is waiting for you in the reception.
Who is it?
Mr. Rodriguez.
Urgent?
Yes?
Tell him to wait in the meeting room. I'll be there in another 5 minutes.
hello, Mr. Rodriguez.
Hello,
Have a seat. Have a seat.
thank you.
So you want to talk with me on some important issues?
Yeah, I'm owner of the company Duron Enterprises, which deal in weapon industry all over the world.
Oh yeah, I've heard about your company.
I have read your papers about future weapon technology and anti-weapon force shields. They were all path-breaking.
Okay, thank you.
I want to talk to you. Is it safe here to discuss confidential things? Just a minute.
Portable signal jammer. Interesting.
I am interested in weapon X. I have heard your military has set aside this project.
How do you know about this project? It's a very, very confidential thing.
I won't delve into this business otherwise. I have to keep eye on everything.
What do you expect from me?
Give me the technology. Your military didn't understand the importance of the project. Make it for me.
This is a military project, Mr. Rodriguez.
I know. I know it. But I have scrapped it. I feel this weapon will change face of weapon technology, face of war. I will give you whatever money you want.
Do you think for all these years I've been working, I'm working only for money?
At least you will be completing your project which is not happening here. I will help you to complete your dream project, anti-weapon force shield.
For force shield?
Yeah, just a minute. This is what you are searching for years for your project. Highly precious alien radioactive matter. Recently found. Unlabeled agent. Controlled reaction can create massive energy. No radioactive metal today can create energy to run the